Hi Legos fun! In this video I'll show you how to build log data, my block logging arrangement. This my block makes the process of display numbers as text a breeze. You get up to 4 parameters in addition to 1 timestamp column director on your EV3 brick screen. Hold on. As I had announced, the log data v1 my block combines a timestamp and up to 4 text value. Most values are numbers, but I use text parameters so that you can use this block to write the heading as well. The first time is to open up a new project, name as you like, and add the timer in its measure time mode. The timer reads the appropriate time and passes the value to the first text block. The second step is to text block itself. Draw a data wire to combine the timestamp from timer block with the first parameter of text block. Add a comma for separating the next parameter B. And for C, leave it like this. We will add a data wire later on. For the third step, add plus 2 text block connected like this. Each one takes the value from the previous text block result and add a comma, leaving the result slot space to fill in at the end. Let's keep going. The fourth step brings file access block to the scene. Switch it to write mode, wire mode. And this slot will be used to fulfill the name of the file, which will be passed into the log data block as input. Now it is time to enter the icon and name of all the parameters. Hit Ctrl plus A, hold Ctrl key while clicking on the start block to deselecting it. Now go to Menu, Tools, My Block Builder. My Block Builder wizard opens. Name it as Log Data V1. Add a description for other knowing about your My Block function. Just fine. Now let's create 6 inputs. Click the plus symbol 6 times, adding 6 slots for parameters. From the third parameters, go to parameter icon tab and name them with A, B, C, and D symbols. By selecting this letter from the mosaic of image of the parameter icon tab. Now for the second parameter input, use the image of a stopwatch. And to the first parameter, use dock symbol, clicking it right here. We just fine. We are almost done. Now open the parameter setup tab. Add data to the first parameter like this. File name, input, text, null as default. For the second input parameter, stopwatch, input number 0 as default. Now for the third to 6th parameters, reading 1 input text, null as default. Reading 2 input text, null as default. Reading 3 input text, null as default. Reading 4 input text, null as default. Now click Finish button. Now you need to make the links between input and text block letter C. Now draw the data wire from A, B, C, and D toward letter C's of each text block, and draw the two last data wires to the name of the file and stopwatch. Hit Ctrl+S to save all your work. And finally, open the Properties tab right here. My blocks, select the file logblock ev3p. Click Export button and choose a directory to store your brand new logblock ev3s file. The last task is to go to the Program tab and click on the connection between your log data and start block to shrink this, and there you have it. Congratulations, you are my block pro now. Lego bricks, as you know, are the kind of lingua franca from mechanical design. In electronics, like Arduino, is really a fun way to get into things and just make a lot of cool projects. Please visit my two websites, Kidstronics and Jungotronics on medium.com. Be welcome there and happy buildings. Leave your comments below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye.